just bought my first wig and I'm gonna see how it fits and if it looks realistic. I'm excited, but I'm so nervous and I've never wore a wig before, and plus I'm gonna have a lot of hair to put under the wig when I try it on and not a lot of hair to put under it when it comes to actually wearing it. So hi everybody, my name's Ayla Roberts. Welcome to my channel. As you can see today from the excerpt that you've just watched, this video is all about wigs. In particular this wig. This is the first wig that I have ever bought and I am not regretting it one iota. I absolutely love this wig. I adore this wig. I look forward to putting this wig on to wear. I've enjoyed, especially at the moment, as you can see, braiding this wig into lots of different styles. I will be linking this wig below so that you can go and have a look and buy it if you want. I highly recommend it. It is an amazing wig. But for right now, let's just jump into the video and you can see me discovering wigs. Oh, it's my wig. Let's have a look at this. What is it? Oh, it's my wig and my wig caps. So they came together. That's cool. Oh, and my wig stand. It's like Christmas. But obviously this is the bit that we all really want to see, is the wig. I in particular want to see what it looks like. It feels very, very soft. I don't know what I was expecting it to feel like. It doesn't necessarily feel like real hair. I don't know. I think it's because I know it's a wig, so I expect it not to feel like real hair. So, but I don't know actually. My husband's holding the camera for me. I'm going to ask him. Does it feel like real hair to you?
Yeah, it does.
So, sorry about that. Have a hand to the face. It's got the clips inside, which I'm glad about. And obviously the adjustable elastic. I've never had a wig, I've never worn a wig, but I've been doing lots of wig research. It's lace front because that is apparently the best to get, is a lace front. So I was told that sometimes you have to pluck the hairline of the lace front a little bit so that it doesn't look so like, oh my god. But this one's looking kind of okay at the moment. The parting's not really existing. There's no parting, so that's gonna have to be done. The lace looks like it's quite close to my skin colour, which is a bonus. Okay, so we've just fast forwarded a little bit. It isn't perfectly on because obviously, you know, so I'm just gonna put the elastic on the loosest setting because I don't know how big or small I'm gonna want it on my head, and I do have a lot of hair at the moment, so right. I know people say you're supposed to hold it like it goes on and start from the back and then pull forward, so obviously it looks very wiggy at the moment because I don't have any, you know, customization done to it, and I've got my lovely lace front showing. Do you know what though? It's a little uneven by the look, but I suppose if you made the part just a little bit off center, you could sort that out. Sorry, I know I'm looking in the viewfinder, you shouldn't do that, but I'm trying to see. And you know what? No shedding. I haven't had anything shed yet, and I've been combing it through quite a bit, so Thing is, it's always difficult because you yourself know that it's a wig. Obviously it hasn't been customized at all. So you look at it yourself and you go, oh, this looks, you know, it looks so wiggy. It looks so much like I have a wig on, but it moves like normal hair, which is cool. And it feels like normal hair. Alright, so I'm gonna go away and customize this and then come back with a little bit more and see how it looks. So I took a bit of time I straightened it out a bit actually, because the whole sort of, the way the kink was on the bottom was very unnatural. It still is a little bit, but I don't want to do too much to it because I'm scared of ruining it, and I obviously don't want to ruin it. And I've done the parting, I plucked my part, and I've put a bit of concealer in there and all that. I did a little bit of baby hairs, but I didn't go too far because, again, little less is more at the moment because I don't really know what I'm doing. And it still looks, you know, I don't know. I think I'm not used to having a centre part. I'm not used to having my hair so flat, straight, that I think that's why I think it still looks a little off. But it looks a lot better than it did. And if I just kind of like flick it over a little bit to the side, it looks pretty darn cool and awesome, and I love the colour. I need to sort out the ears. I need to cut the mesh around the ear bit, and I've got bulges going on where my plaits are underneath from my hair, which obviously won't be there once I've had all my hair shaved off. So far really happy, and I will bring you, you know, what it looks like when it's all finally done. I'm gonna get my hairdresser to just, I don't like this sort of curtain thing going on. I'll see if my hairdresser will just give me a little bit of shape in the wig after she's done shaving my head. So let's carry on with that. So that was it, everybody. That's how I have discovered wigs, and I have a lot of wigs on my Amazon wish list that I am going to be buying, wigs of all different lengths and colours and styles. I made a few mistakes with this wig when I was customizing it. You know, it's my first wig. I cut a little bit too much around the ears and things like that, but I don't care. I still think it looks the bomb. You just have to be careful not to tuck it behind my ears, and I'm loving every second of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, then please do have a look through my other videos. This is not my primary focus. I do vlogs occasionally. I've had quite a run at the moment of vlogs. I tend to do like a little series. I'll have like a little series of events that I do, but mostly I do vocal covers and original songs. But if you've enjoyed what you've seen, if you'd like to see more of the greyhound that you just saw walk past, and you're a music lover and a wig fan, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you really enjoy what you see, then just hit that little bell and it will notify you every time I upload a video. You all take care of yourselves. I hope to see you really soon on my next videos.